Hi folks, my name is Pat from IT West. Today I will be doing an introduction tutorial on a one router to network setup using Cisco packet tracer. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my router. And I'm going to go also use two generic computers. And next we're going to choose our media, and because we're going directly from our router to our computers, we're going to use crossover cable. So here we're going to go ahead and choose the first fast Ethernet available. That's Ethernet 00 and just fast Ethernet. We'll go ahead and repeat the process. Fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet. Okay. As you can see, this media is red because it's not activated. Now for our networks, I'm going to choose 192.168.10.100, and for this PC 192.168, and let's choose 20 and again 100. So we have a 10 and a 20 network. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and start our commands. So we'll go into our router, and one thing I don't like to use is I don't like to use 0 for a router, so I'm going to choose it. And but you can go ahead to choose whatever you like. And so there we go, router 1 I've got. So okay, let's start our commands. So first thing we're going to do is just press enter, and you're going to see router. Now we're going to enable, so EN for enable. Now we're ready to start our commands. And our first command is configure terminal. Enter. I also like to choose a host name, so I'm just going to put HOST router 1. Okay. Now, first interface that we have on our router is FA0/0. So interface FA0/0 and as you can see I put in an invalid. That's okay, just use your up arrow now, correct, enter. So now we'll go ahead, we'll start our entering our IP address for our network. So this is IP address 192.168.10.1 for our gateway. So then we have our subnet is 255.255.255.0. This is a /24 network. So then enter, no shutdown, and enter. So as you can see that it's actually changed the state to up, and over here this is changed to green. So that means that it's now connected and activated. Okay, so again hit enter, interface, and this time we have interface FA0/1. Enter IP, I'll pull this over the center so you can follow more clearly. IP address, and we have 192.168.20.1, 255.255.255.0, enter, no shutdown. Okay, now we can close out of that and now as you can see everything is green. So now we're going to go ahead and check, sorry about that, we go ahead and check to see if everything is speaking to each other. But before we do that, actually I have to go ahead and set my computers. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to set the IP address on, sorry, 192.168.10.100. Okay, now by default our subnet has entered correctly, and also I'm going to put in the IP address for default gateway, which is 192.168.10.1. And it's always good practice to put in the default gateway. In this case it's not necessary, but it's good practice for future to get out to all different networks on your. So we can close out of that, and we go to over here and we'll repeat the process. IP address 192.168.20.100. Just hit the tab, default, not default case, 192.168.20.1. Okay. And a very simple way to check to see that everything is functioning and pinging is to just come here and choose this packet. Let's set it on this PC. Go to this PC. Just drop it there. And this is okay, as if you look down here it will say that it has actually failed, but that's okay, and I'll explain that to you in a future tutorial. But just go ahead and do it again, just repeat that process, and this time it will be successful. There you go. Okay, that's it for now folks, thank you for watching.